Hi there! Today let's learn some words instead of very. Check whether you know these. First one, very important, essential, very beautiful, gorgeous, very dirty, filthy, very hungry, starving, very hurt, distressed, very small, tiny, very big, huge, very sure, certain, very angry, furious. Very lazy, lethargic, very clean, spotless, very best, ultimate, very poor, destitute, very simple, basic, very scared, petrified, very roomy, spacious, very shy, timid, very quick, rapid, very shiny, gleaming, very confused, perplexed, very intelligent, brilliant, very slow, sluggish, very loud, deafening, very ugly, hideous, very serious, grave, very calm, serene, very clear, obvious, very accurate, exact, very scary, chilling, very fat, obese, very afraid, petrified, very eager, keen, very tall, towering, very crowded, packed, very boring, tedious, very sad, miserable, very often, frequently, very cold, freezing, very strong, mighty, very funny, hilarious, very rich, wealthy, very expensive, costly, very wet, soggy, very old, ancient, very tired, exhausted. Very dark. Gloomy. Very good. Excellent. Very bad. Awful. Very bright. Brilliant. Very hungry. Starving. Very thirsty. Perched. Very new. Novel. Very nice. Pleasant. Very creative. Innovative. Subscribe to my channel to watch more videos on English grammar and vocabulary. Thanks for watching.